Hey, what's up? How's it going? It is 1:30 p.m. on a Sunday. Today I'm going to the beach with my mom because she really wanted to, and she's only been to the beach one time this year. So she wanted to go today, and I was like, yeah, whatever, I'll go too. So we're going to the beach. My dog is coming. He's currently hanging out in my room, chilling on his bed that's also laid in there right now. He's coming with us because she really likes him. According to her, he was mandatory, I was optional. But, whatever. Anyway, so I'm all packed. I have my SpongeBob backpack full of everything I ever need for me and my dog. I have the stuff I owe my mother, because that's stuff she left at our last vacation. And a beach chair for myself, which should be good. Awesome. Look at this small boy just chilling, waiting for the beach time. Yeah, buddy. Are you excited? Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Alright. He is officially excited. We're about to go. You ready, Juice? He looks ready. All our stuff is ready. And my mom just got here. We've arrived to Hull to go to Nantasket Beach. And the doggo's out. And we're just trying to figure out if we're parked legally or not. Because there's not a sign. Ma, what's your verdict?
I don't know. Why don't we head to the parking lot?
Okay. We found the legit parking lot and we going. Ma, you excited?
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Now that we know this, we can save a half hour next time.
Yeah, it did take us a while to find parking, but we'll be good.
But it was nice to see. This is what I wanted to do.
We're going towards the water. We're going towards the water. You're not supposed to run ahead of me. And you know that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Isn't this weird, buddy?
Yeah. What is this big thing? What is it? It's a little
He's like,
silly.
this is far enough for me. Come on, buddy. Oh, it's old. Alright, how's it going? So we made it to the beach. We're just relaxing. I'm with the doggo. Yeah. What a cutie. So he has water out and a chew toy, and he's enjoying it thoroughly. My mom is going out swimming, the brave, brave soul, because it's freezing out there. And I'm just gonna chill on this blanket and relax for a couple hours. Yeah. Should be a good time.
And is he a beach critter or not?
He likes to eat sand. He doesn't like the water much.
It is a little chilly.
But yeah, he loves eating sand.
Okay. Well, then it sounds like he's a beach critter.
Yeah, a good beach doggo. Alright, so we're walking along the beach and it's just gorgeous. Like, what? It's mid-September and it's beautiful. Doggo's enjoying it as well. Yeah, buddy? Oh, yeah. Look at you. Alright, so I'm taking a walk and I kind of didn't realize how far I went. So I'm not sure if I'm close or not. And it is still beautiful walk, but I'm kind of not entirely positive about how far I've gone. So let's hope it's not too far back. He definitely wants a drink of water. I want a drink of water. But we should be back soon, maybe. Who knows? Alright, we're testing if he'll pee anywhere else. Currently, it's looking like grass is his only option outside of our kitchen floor. But we'll see. Also, so many more doggos are arriving. It's amazing. He might make some dog friends today. I see like 6 already. 7 if you include him. And yeah. Hey, bud. He likes to eat sand, if you couldn't tell by the amount of sand on his face. Yeah, cutie. Oh, yeah. Now you protect the hole. You just filled it in, buddy. That's where it went. Alright, so I'm heading to dinner. My mom headed first with the dog since the place closes kind of soon, but it's called like Hull's Kitchen 2 or whatever, and it has outdoor seating so we can sit with the dog. And yeah, we're about to get dinner. Some seafood. You can see the ocean, which is awesome. And yeah, should be great. I need to figure out the direction I'm gonna go in, but I think it's to the left a little bit. Nope, to the right. Yep. How is the food?
Delicious. Perfect seafood, beachy food. It was fried shrimp. The shrimp were like this big. They were huge. They're not the little itty bitty French fries. It was all really good. Perfect. Perfect end to a great beach day.
Hey, what's up? How's it going? It's now the next day, so Monday, and obviously I'm back from the beach. But just want to say thank you for watching. If you did make it this far, had a great day at the beach. Hope you enjoyed coming along. Mr. Juice probably also had a good day at the beach. No, he's just getting ready for some alone time with some kibble and a treat toy. Anyway, hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.